After what happened the last time I did my hair, I'm eating my hair. Sometimes I even feel that maybe I even ate my hair. Hi everyone, welcome to DiscoveringNatural channel. Okay, I'm trying to say that right. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for clicking on our thumbnail. Thank you for all the love you showed us in the previous videos. And yes, I am here today. This is what my hair looks like right now. If you've not yet subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. And let's start talking about the topic of today. Yeah, so the last time I did my hair, I lost a ton of hair. I did somebody else's routine and I had a major setback with my hair, with just the health of my hair in general. I did talk to my stylist and she told me that she'll get me right on it. But today I want to say a big shout out to Tolulope Fab Popoola. She is the sponsor of today's video. She has a book out and a book is on Amazon and you can also find it on Kindle. Now in her book she talks about, a book is titled Returning to Natural Hair. So in her book she talks about a lot of things that people face, a lot of things that you struggle with, a lot of things that you have to just be mindful of when it comes to taking care of your hair. She's a mother of beautiful girls, two beautiful girls, and she is amazing with taking care of her hair. She's also a hairstylist, so she knows what she's talking about. She's based in Nigeria and she gives a lot of simple routines and simple ways to take care of your hair so that your hair doesn't have a issue that you can't get out of. Now we need to love our hair. We need to find ways to embrace our hair. And even us embracing our hair will allow us to be able to show the next generation, our children, also how to embrace their hair. It's not all the time that I have, loved my hair. It's not all the time. There are some days that I struggle with it. And on those days, I don't want to deal with it. But the days that you don't deal with it, the problem can be, when you cover up, it's like you covering up. The Bible says covering up a multitude of sin. Yeah, it's like you covering up something, festering a wound. You have to deal with it. In the book, you can also find out key things. So it starts off with dryness. Now, one of the issues that people come to me and they say, why is my hair? What's going on with my hair? Why don't we, what's the issue with our hair? Why is our hair doing this? Sometimes it deals with dryness. Sometimes it deals with how you are caring for your hair, how you are moisturizing your hair. Today I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for my hair, especially my ends and just the areas that, just broke off. Look at that. Look at that. Just broke off due to what happened, okay. So it talks about different, like what is moisture to kinky hair and then protein. This purpose of protein. What is protein to kinky textured hair? Why do we need protein in our hair? It also goes on and talk about how often should you do a protein treatment. So this is coming from a stylist, someone that has worked with so many people's hair over the years. And she also says, why does our hair need that balance? I've talked about that moisture balance thing. You need moisture and you need protein to strengthen your hair. Next, we talk about moisture overload and protein overload. Pretty much everything you need to know about caring for your hair. She also has a second part. So that was the first part, dealing with the dryness, dealing with the strengthening. The second part talks about retaining your hair growth. So it's not only good enough to grow your hair, but after you grow your hair, what do you do to maintain and retain that hair growth and how to keep the hair moisturized? And then the third part goes on to protective styling. Styling is a key aspect to caring for our hair. What is protective styling and how long should you keep it? What are the benefits of it? Sometimes when you do those protective styles, you are actually causing breakage because you're not caring for your hair. The product, the things that you use, the synthetic, anything you use can affect it. Today, I'm going to also show you how I'm using the protective style in my hair. I'm going to show you this method will not break your hair at all. Lastly, she talks, part 4, she talks about a regimen, how to create a regimen, how to step by step. She has a 5-step simple regimen. She also talks about shrinkage, how to embrace shrinkage. And then lastly, she goes on to talking about heat damage. I'm going to be going to my stylist very soon, and I will be showing you guys. I'm going to be applying heat in my hair, and we will learn from a professional also. So that is our book. Please check out the link in the description area for our book. I have it down there. You can get it in Kindle form, in Amazon form, and please support our Black sister, Black small businesses, support them. And this is the book entitled Returning Natural by who? Tolulope Fab Popoola. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to moisturize my hair. So I'm starting off moisturizing my hair with a product from Natural Hair Can Grow Trichology. This is my hairstylist. Click that link to watch the video of her when she washed my hair. This is our hair lemonade. I love how she calls it hair lemonade. And this is filled with so many great ingredients such as water, aloe vera juice, lemon extract, flaxseed. It also contains non-GMO citric acid, vitamin E oil, lemon, and tea tree essential. So the ingredients are very natural. So what I want to do is I want to first spray my hair to add moisture. So this is the first step to caring for your hair. You add moisture to it. Okay, moisture in the sense of a liquid. What are the benefits of aloe vera? Aloe vera is an humectant, and also it helps your hair. This lemon, it smells so good. This is not overly too lemony. My kids also have one. This was actually Tolani's when I snagged it. So after I add moisture in form of liquid to my hair, I want to deal with my edges next. So with my edges, you all know what I've been using. This is my Boughton hair serum by Pure Beauty. Okay, I've been using it now for like a couple of months now, and you can see how much of it I have left. I have another one that I bought. I actually bought 3 because this has become part of my hair. So I'm just taking it, putting it on my fingertips, and I'm just running it through my edges. My edges has always been like this. And my hairstylist, she took a machine and she put it in my scalp to check my scalp, to check if I was thinning. I wasn't thinning, but she told me you have to be careful about your edges. You have to be careful about your edges. Okay? So that's why I always baby my edges and give it some vitamins. And I put some on my nape area. Next, I'm going to take my moisturizer of choice. This is my Cardima hair milk. This is the Arbor hair milk and moisture milk, and this is what I use, and this is the only product that is actually in my hair. So I'm going to take just a little bit of it like that, not so much because it's very, very moisturizing. I'm going to put it to the ends of my hair. So you see, I'm working it to the ends of my hair, which is the area that easily breaks. So I'm just squeezing it to the ends of my hair like that. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I'm low porosity. Knowing your porosity is also very important, to caring for your hair. Okay, so now I'm going to take more. Again, you can see I'm paying attention to the length of my hair now. So just taking it and applying it to the length of my hair. Okay, now my scalp, I could put oils and stuff. So I have this is my oil mix from Cardima. I just added some sulfur in there, MSM in there. So I'm going to give it a good shake. And then I'm just going to apply the oil to my scalp. Okay. And then give yourself a good scalp massage. Please go longer than I'm going in this video. I just don't want the video to be super long, but go longer. Next, I'm just taking my hair, still in twist. Okay, so twist is a simple protective style. This is the twist that I created after my mishap. And I'm just going to take it. I'm going to get my snappy. All the products I'm showing you in this video is in the description area. You guys always go to the description area. If you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It is free. And also check out my blog, DiscoveringNatural. So I'm going to show you my protective style. Even though this twist is my protective style, I need something that will even protect my hair longer. So just taking this and just snapping everything in. And I could go about like this and I'm fine, but this is what I've been doing. A lot of people have been complimenting me about, oh, I love your puff, I love your puff. I keep on telling them that you can get your own. The link is in the description area. Go get you some. This is my puff that I love. And this is a wig and weave system. This is like a conditioner. Okay. I also have this on my Amazon shop. So yeah. Okay. I'm going to give it a good shake. I'm conditioning it. This is a synthetic wig, but the conditioner actually works really well. And I'm scrunching it in there. I'm going to take this. You can see this actually has tooth thin. I never use this. So I just take this and I just place it wherever my puff thing is. I'm just placing it right there. Then I'm getting bobby pins and just securing it. And this never moves. You can see the bobby pins. I'm just securing it right like this. Oh, there's my glasses. I was wondering where my glasses was. This is what I've been rocking since my hair decided to act a fool. Okay, so you can see, you can get a hair tie, a bandana or whatever and use that. So I can just, so what I do sometimes, I just get a bandana like this and I'm not pulling it. If you can notice I've not used the comb or anything. I just take my bandana and I just put it like that. Once I tie it and I secure everything, tuck that in really good at the back and pull that, and I'm good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the link in the description area below and get your own copy of Return to Natural. You can get it right on your phone like that. Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.